Hi, my name's Tom Olafson. I'm an estate planning attorney and I serve clients in the Orland Park area. Thanks for coming to my website. I have something that I'd like to give you that's very special, but first I'd like to tell you a little bit about my practice. Probate is the court-supervised process where the judge determines what it is you owned, determines whether you had a will and what the will says, whether it's valid, and then applies your will to the stuff you own. It also makes sure that your bills are paid and that everyone is treated fairly. It's a nice process in theory, and it works well when it's needed. It is mostly unpopular because it takes a long time. 1 to 2 years is very common in Cook County and in surrounding counties in Illinois. So that's 1 to 2 years that your family has to relive that you've died. They don't really get a chance to grieve properly until probate is over because they're still having to relive it all the time every time they get a letter from the judge, a letter from the lawyer, a letter from the lawyer. Whenever they get a letter from the lawyer, they're having to go through this all over again. So it's uncomfortable for families. In addition, it typically costs around 5% of the estate. There isn't a hard and fast rule in Illinois as to how much probate should cost, but an average is usually reported at about 5% of the estate. So on $1 million estate, that'd be about $50,000 worth of costs, which most people tell me they would rather have that money go to their family rather than to legal fees. And as much as I would argue with them that legal fees are good things, they usually feel that we do what they want. Now what I'd like you to do is go to my website and find out how you can get a free review of your existing trust documents to see if they come up to our standards. I can also arrange for you to get free access to 20 videos that answer your most often asked questions. They give you some guidance as to what you should be looking for. Now, if you don't have existing trust documents or you have a particular question that's been bothering you, you're welcome to call my phone number, which is 773-905-1193, and we'll set up a complimentary consultation.